So, good day sir, my name is John Angelo Cotamora from BSCS Section 1B. So in this video sir, I will demonstrate the installation of Python and Visual Studio Code, create my first Python program, and complete the Getting to Know You program. So first ako mo diri sir is gi-download ko ang Python, gi-search ko ra sa Google, and ang una nito nga which is ang python.org, may gipindot, and then I downloaded the latest version of Python which is 3.14.7. So, after na ako after na-install, I add Python to path and use admin and then install now dahil game sir. So, waiting. And it says setup was successful. So, since daw naman ako sa try if naanagad siya sir, which is giga, check ko sa terminal. So, check ko diri through typing Python and then version. And then, pag enter na ako, sir, since nigawas na medyo version ng Python, meaning to say, na ako Python installed sa ako device or computer. So, now, it's time to download the Visual Studio Code. So, ang ako lagi mo diri search ko lang Visual Studio Code. And ang una ni gawas is may ako gipindot. Download for Windows. And nag-start na sila pag-download. And na sila sir, so ako lang gi-accept agreement, complete the procedure sa pag-uninstall, and then start na sila pag-installing. So now tapos na, let's open it. And here, ako mo sir is nag-download ako ng extension which is ang Python. So, i-search ko din yung Python and ang una ni gawas is may install which is pinakahamukatan na review. And pag after na sir is nag-add sa file and then na-create a new folder. Iputan ko sa documents and ako mo din sir is i-rename ko siya as Python Learning since dire man tanan mo gawas ang mga code na ako na mga files. And after that, nag-ima ako ng file sa Python. Learning na ako, which is for my first code. And ako dire gibutang isang hello.py. And now, dire ko gibutang ako first code, sir. So, which is hashtag my first Python programming. And then I put the code, which is the print hello world, print I am learning Python programming. And then as I run, ni work mo si sir ni gawas ang hello world, I am learning Python programming. So now, dire kita sa paghimo ng intro.py para sa activity ng getting to know. So I put the name input, then course input, then enter your course, and then print f, etc. Hello, my name is, and then that, and then as I pag-run ko siya sir, ni gawas man siya ng enter your name, meaning to say ni work ang ako code since ni follow mo siya sa ako command. And that's it sir, thank you.
So I think the most difficult step I encountered was the coding part since first time ko mag-code and I'm still unfamiliar with it. So siguro medyo like, dapat mo din tarungan kasi syempre kung yung masaya, error mo sila. So I think that was the most difficult step I encountered. So far during the activity, I did not encounter any problems. I mean, the easiest for me is like installing the Python and the VS Code since I'm like basic. So I learned how to create, save, and run a basic Python program. And this allows me to explore the programming environment that is VS Code. So I think the input function allowed my program to interact with the user by receiving information such as my name and course. And then this information could then be used by the program when displaying the output. I think after this activity, it boosts my confidence more, especially like syempre, mag-gaan man sa loob after yung running code. And then, bago pa yun, it still made me happy and excited. So I think that's all. Overall, this activity helped me become familiar with Python, VS Code, and even my first Python programming. So I'm ready to tackle more about this and hope to see you soon. Peace out.